Today we're going to make ramen soup with peanut and sriracha flavoring. Pretty simple. We have instant ramen. We're going to use the flavor packet, freshly sliced chicken thighs, mushrooms, fresh onion, sugar snap peas, sriracha barbecue sauce, and some peanut butter. Let's start by taking the packet, and we've got 2 cups of water. Get that boiling. Put that right in. Let's get the chicken. 1/4-inch slices against the grain, which makes it tender. Maybe like a 1/4 pound. It's one thigh. This is going to poach pretty quickly, probably 5 minutes or so. High heat. Here's our mushrooms, and we're going to cut that into probably 1/4-inch cubes. There we go. I can smell the mushrooms already. If you didn't want soup, you could cut the amount of water in half. A nice easy stir fry. And I'm going to just break that packet into quarters. Just slide these right in here. And I want to spread them out. They can get covered by that broth, which is now coming up to a boil again. Let's cut up our onion, which I peeled. We'll cut that in half. Slice that probably into 1/4-inch strips. So thinly sliced onions. Put those right in. Those noodles have been in for about a minute. I'm just going to flip them over. And yes, if you don't want to break the package up, you can do this whole. So that chicken is cooked now. We have about a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Add about 2 tablespoons of this sweet sriracha barbecue sauce. And you can use any other sauce. Let's put in our peanut butter because we want that to melt in. And our noodles, put in there for about 2 minutes. A couple tablespoons of our sriracha. There we go. And the last thing that I'll put in is the sugar snap peas. I like my sugar snap peas crunchy. Taking the ends off. We'll just mix those right in. If you like them a little bit softer, you can put them in a little bit earlier. Get those mixed in. I'm going to kill the heat on that now. All right. Mix that up a little bit. Sauce. It's nice and thick. Here's our noodles. So that's it for now, and we'll see you next time.